Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh and today video topic is my name is Ashutosh and today date is 4 January and today video topic is why Java is independent. Java achieve platform independence through a combination of compilation and the Java virtual machine, that is JVM. Here the following is the point that understood the Java why is the platform independence. First one is in compilation is bytecode. In Java source code is first compiled into intermediate from known as bytecode, and bytecode a set of instruction for hypothetical machine called Java virtual machine, that is JVM. Unlike traditional compiled language, example C and C++, Java does not compile directly into machine code specific to the host platform. Instead, it is a produced bytecode which is platform independent. Second point is Java virtual machine. The JVM is a crucial component that enables platform independence. It is a virtualized execution environment that interprets and runs Java bytecode. Each operating system and hardware architecture is required specific implementation of the JVM. But is the Java bytecode in the same across the platform. Bytecode is executed by JVM. Third point of the is write once and run anywhere principle. The combination of compiling to bytecode and using JVM to write once and run anywhere. This means that once a Java program compiled into bytecode can be executed on any device or platform that JVM is installed. That already JVM is installed. That platform or Java is run without modification. The flexibility particularly advantageous for developers and businesses as it simplifies the development of Java application across diverse environments. Fourth point is a platform specified and Java implementation. Platform specified and Java implementation. While the Java language itself the platform independence, the JVM implementation are platform specific. Different JVM implementation exist for various operating system and architecture. For example, there is a JVM implementation of Windows, Linux and different types of processes. Is JVM responsible for translating and executing JVM bytecode and specific platform? This is all point of the point discussed why Java is independence, and summary of all point is Java achieve platform independence by compiling source code into bytecode, which then interrupted by platform specific JVM. write once and run approach combined with standardized specification of the Java. That's why is the Java is a platform independence. Write once and run any processor of the processor. That's why Java card is a platform independent, because run any processor or any other computer. This is all point are discussed about the why is Java is independence. Thank you.